Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Bhumika from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today I am going to explain the topic of galvanization and sacrificial anode method. Introduction to galvanization and sacrificial anode method. Galvanization is a process of coating steel or iron with a layer of zinc to protect it from corrosion. The sacrificial anode method is a technique used to prevent corrosion by connecting a more active metal to the object being protected. These methods are commonly used in various industries such as construction, automotive, and marine. Galvanization process. The galvanization process involves immersing the steel or iron object into a bath of molten zinc. The zinc coating acts as barrier between the metal and corrosion elements the environment. The zinc coating also provides cathodic protection, sacrificing itself to protect the underlying metal from corrosion. Types of galvanization. Hot dip galvanization is the most common method where the object is dipped into the molten zinc bath. Electrogalvanization involves applying a layer of zinc onto the metal through an electrolytic process. Shearidizing is a method of galvanization where the object is heated and zinc powder is applied, creating a diffusion bond. Advantages of galvanization. Galvanized coatings provide excellent corrosion resistance even in harsh environments. The coating is highly durable and can withstand mechanical damage. Galvanization is a cost effective method as it extends the lifespan of the protected object, reducing maintenance and replacement costs. Sacrificial anode method. The sacrificial anode method involves connecting a more active metal such as magnesium or aluminum to the object being protected. The more active metal corrodes, sacrificially protecting the underlying metal from corrosion. How sacrificial anode works. When the sacrificial anode is connected to the object, it creates a galvanic set. The more active metal becomes the anode, corroding sacrificially. The protected metal becomes the cathode, preventing corrosion. Here we can see the diagrams. Types of sacrificial anodes. Zinc sacrificial anodes are commonly used in marine environments. Aluminium sacrificial anodes are effective in soil or freshwater applications. Magnesium sacrificial anodes are used in highly conductive environments such as soft water. This method is commonly used in structures like pipelines, ships, and underground storage tanks. How sacrificial anode works. When the sacrificial anode is connected to the object, it creates a galvanic set. The more active metal becomes the anode, corroding sacrificially. The protected metal becomes the cathode, preventing corrosion. Here we can see the diagrams. Types of sacrificial anodes. Zinc sacrificial anodes are commonly used in marine environments. Aluminium sacrificial anodes are effective in soil or freshwater applications. Magnesium sacrificial anodes are used in highly conductive environments such as soft water. Installation of sacrificial anodes. Sacrificial anodes are typically attached to the object being protected using bolts, welding, or adhesive. The number and placement of anodes depend on the size and shape of the object. Regular inspection and replacement of sacrificial anodes are necessary to ensure continuous protection. Advantages of sacrificial anode method. The sacrificial anode method provides active protection. Advantages of sacrificial anode method. The sacrificial anode method provides active protection against corrosion. It is a relatively simple and cost-effective method compared to other corrosion prevention techniques. The sacrificial anode method can be applied to both new and existing structures. Summary. Galvanization and the sacrificial anode method are effective ways to prevent corrosion. Galvanization involves coating steel or iron with zinc, providing a barrier and cathodic protection. The sacrificial anode method uses a more active metal to sacrifice itself and protect the object being protected. Thank you all for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.